Let's talk about editing. Hello, I'm Sheri Barbera. Welcome to zazoome. It's one of the main struggles many of you tell me you have. And for some of you, it's even stopped you from making videos or getting your YouTube channel going. And you know what? That drives me crazy because I want you to get your channel up there. Why do I care so much? Because I know how hard it is being an entrepreneur, promoting your business, the expense of it. You gotta spend money to make money, right? Especially advertising. But you know what? YouTube offers you an easy, fast, free way to promote your business, build your customer base, and make money. And this gets back to the editing issue. You can't let it stop you from using this powerhouse platform to build your business. Let me tell you an editing story. When Sal and I first started making videos, we used our phones. Where's my phone? I don't know. We used our phones and edited in iMovie. Sal became a master at using it, but I was frustrated by the limited options and features, and I did not enjoy using it. A few years later, when we were at the Apple Store, we found out about Final Cut Pro. Now, for me, I'd say it's like iMovie on steroids. At the time, they offered an 8-hour course, so we signed up for it. And at the end, we were as bewildered as when we started. So we took the course again, and then it began to make sense. So we took the course again. And that's when it started to become friendly. And after 4 times of taking the course, I actually felt comfortable using the program, and I understood many of the features. Fast forward to today, I love using Final Cut, and I look forward to editing. But you might think, phooey, I don't want to spend years learning how to edit. There should be an option to get going that's user-friendly, easy to learn, and fun. And you know what? I agree. But let's start with the 5 things I think an editing program should be that you'll actually want to use. And the first thing is easy. The second is it should provide options with all of the features. The third is it should include transitions, text, and music. And the fourth is that it should have the ability to layer content. And number 5, it just should be easy to export in the format to YouTube. There are many more features that I think are important in an editor, but those are the 5 at a minimum that I think are important. Is there an editing program that does all those 5? And the answer is yes. And it's called Canva. Now, Canva is not a robust program like Final Cut or Adobe Premiere Pro, but that's a good thing because you don't want to be overwhelmed with decisions. Why? Because it's got something those giants of editing don't have, and it's called templates. And templates get you started immediately. So in Canva, you can create quick videos that are 36 seconds, 3 minutes long, upload them the same day to your YouTube channel. And that's one of the tips out of 10 that I'll be covering in the next video. Join me then. I look forward to seeing you. You can tell I love talking about YouTube tools and tips. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in either one of those videos.